Have you ever noticed how some women seem to stay active and youthful even after 40? In Japan, many rely on a few simple daily movements, not intense workouts. And these 5 movements are based on that idea. Do them every day, and your body will start to feel lighter, more flexible, and easier to move again. And don't skip the 5th one. That's where most women lose real coordination and control. Number 1, deep squat hold. If you can't sit comfortably in a deep squat, your body has lost a natural position. This used to be a normal resting posture. But most women over 40 lose it after years of sitting. That's why your hips get tight, your ankles stiffen, and your lower back takes more pressure. This movement brings that back. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your hips down. Keep your heels on the ground and your chest up. If needed, hold onto a chair for support. Stay here for 45 to 60 seconds. This is your foundation for full body mobility. Number 2, controlled arm circles. If your shoulders feel tight or restricted, this is usually why. Most women over 40 stop moving their shoulders through full range. And that's when stiffness starts building up. This simple movement restores that natural motion. Stand tall, extend your arms out to your sides, and slowly make small circles. Keep the movement controlled, not fast. After a few seconds, reverse the direction. Do this for 30 seconds each way. This helps keep your upper body mobile and pain-free. Number 3, standing forward fold. If your back and legs feel tight, this is what you're missing. Many women over 40 avoid bending forward fully, and that leads to stiffness through the spine and hamstrings. This movement gently restores flexibility. Stand tall, slowly hinge forward from your hips, and let your upper body relax down. Don't force it, just go as far as you comfortably can. Let your neck and arms stay relaxed. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. This helps release tension through your entire backside. Number 4, slow standing march. If your movement feels heavy or uncoordinated, this is why. Most women over 40 lose rhythm and coordination over time, and that affects how smoothly your body moves. This movement brings that back. Stand tall and slowly lift one knee up, then lower it down, and switch sides. Move in a slow, steady rhythm. Keep your posture upright and controlled. Do 12 to 15 reps per side. This improves coordination and balance together. Number 5, standing balance reach. If your balance feels off, this is the missing piece. Balance isn't just about standing still. It's about controlling your body while moving. And most women over 40 stop training that completely. This movement restores that control. Stand on one leg, then slowly reach your arms forward while keeping your balance. Hold for a moment, then return to standing. Switch sides and repeat. If needed, hold onto a wall for support. Do 8 to 10 reps per side. This is what keeps your body stable and coordinated. So here's your routine. Start with 60 seconds of deep squat hold. Then do controlled arm circles for 30 seconds each direction. Move into standing forward fold for 30 to 45 seconds. Follow with slow standing march for 12 to 15 reps per side. And finish with standing balance reach for 8 to 10 reps per side. If your hips feel tight, don't skip the squat. If your balance feels off, focus more on the last movement. Do this daily, stay consistent, and your body will start to feel younger, lighter, and easier to move again. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.